how listening to music can help you stop watching porn. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you how. Okay, crank up some tunes and bust out some dance moves, because what we want to do is we want to decrease the brain pattern that exists out here in the extremes of a brain that needs to be stimulated because it's bored and a brain that needs to be calmed because it's stressed. So these patterns exist out here. We need to bring this pattern down, and we need to increase the pattern for calm, focused, optimal brain performance in the middle, so that your brain can feel okay in the world and it can go out there and engage with the world in a very healthy way. So how does music play in? Music increases this perfect processing speed in the middle, and it decreases that fast speed that makes you feel anxious and that slow speed that makes you feel overwhelmed and bored. We want to bring those babies down. So crank up some tunes, get some random dancing going in the kitchen. I have a game that I love to play in my kitchen with my Alexa that reads the lyrics to music. I call it kitchen karaoke. I've gotten a lot of people to enjoy it with me. The lyrics come on, we crank it up, everybody dances around, and now you can even sing along. And what it's going to do is it's going to increase that perfect processing speed in your brain. Now, when is this even more important? When you are feeling triggered, when you're feeling stressed, when you're feeling bored, when you're feeling overwhelmed. And if you're in my short course, you know that you're going to look for the pivot points, and then you're going to pivot. You're going to find an action to pivot to. Music and tunes is definitely a great pivot point for you to be able to, in that pivot point, you choose music, you choose dancing. All right, if it's the middle of the night, put your AirPods in, because you can still do it. You can do it all by yourself. I do it all the time. I put my AirPods in. I just heard a tune today that I plan on cranking up when I box with the general later on, because it's going to help me move through the stress cycle, stimulate my nervous system, calm it simultaneously, so I can get back into the world and get on purpose in my job, in my relationships, and in my play. So go do it right now. Crank up a tune that you like, and let's fight those urges, and let's increase that perfect processing speed in the middle as a baseline so that your urges will go away. Okay, I hope that helps you out. If you're looking for help on this journey, please join me in my short course. It's affordable, accessible, and anonymous, just like porn. And I'm here for you to start that journey. Go check it out at my website at drtrishleigh.com. And remember, control your brain, or it'll control you.